Power up your paddling game with Bixpy, the ultimate kayak motor. Let's make waves. Meet the Bixpy K-1 Outboard kit. I mounted this motor to the bottom of my Oru Beach LT Sport for an unforgettable adventure. The installation is super easy and can even attach to kayaks or paddleboards that have an existing standard fin plate.
All right, let's do this thing.
The control is right at your fingertips with this wireless remote and 12 speeds to enhance your adventure. Before you know it, you could be cruising the waters at about 5 miles per hour. The motor underneath provides 33 pounds of thrust and can power virtually any type of personal watercraft on the market. Its high-performance lithium-ion battery is safely positioned behind my seat and is the unsung hero providing the magic. Not only can it float on water if an accident does occur, but it can also provide up to 12 hours of energy when using the slower speeds. I do a lot of kayaking, and I gotta say, having the opportunity to take a breather and set the paddle down made this ride that much more enjoyable, especially when needing to paddle against headwind on a windy day. I freaking love this attachment and how much more water I'm able to cover on any given afternoon.
Man, this motor is awesome. I could be on this thing all day long.
I typically stay at the maximum speed possible and use my paddles to guide and make turns, but it's also nice to occasionally slow it down or use the propeller to rotate and reverse when I'm done for the day. Whether you want to motorize your kayak, canoe, or paddleboard, the Bixpy K-1 Outboard Kit is your answer to bringing the fun to the water. Your paddling experience will never be the same. Get a motor today, you'll be happy you did. See you on the water.